Hey guys, as promised, we're going to do another little video here on hooking a extra drip line up onto an existing drip system here. So let's check it out and be sure and like and subscribe. Okay you guys, you really don't need a ton of stuff to add on to an existing drip system. It's pretty simple. Most importantly, you'll need some extra drip tubing, so some 1/4 inch drip tubing right here. The next important thing you'll need is some clamp and pierce connectors right here. All these are going to be linked into the description. You'll also need a dripper at the end. So I like to get the adjustable full circle bubblers. They're just a 1/4 inch dripper or bubbler. Those will be linked in the description. Now optional, if you want to put on more than one dripper, you just cut some extra tubing. You get some of these barbed tees, and then you can do, 1, 2, 3 extra drippers. So grab you some barbed tees if you want to do more than one. And you can also get some inline barbed valve drippers. They look just like this guy. So that saves you from buying the barbed tee. It's actually a barbed valve dripper. So if you don't want to do the barbed tee, grab you the barbed valve dripper. That saves you a little bit. The other thing you need is some good shears. I use pruning shears. You can use some good pair of scissors, and really that's all you need for this little project. And let's get to it. So first step we're going to do is we're going to take some 1/4 inch tubing, and we're going to measure out the length of tubing that we need. So I need about a 2-foot piece of tubing. So I'm just going to estimate it here. And so that's where the shears come in handy. So take my 2-foot piece of tubing, cut it with the shears right there. Good clean cut. Next, we're going to take the clamp and pierce connector. And again, I will link these in the description. Just buy these at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're a 1/4 inch connector, and you use these to go off of your main pipe that the landscaper has put into your trees, your shrubs, your flower beds, your raised garden, your regular garden, or whatever. So take your clamp and pierce connector right there. You'll notice it's got like a swivel head on it, a lot of them do, and it's got a sharp prong on the bottom of it. And this is what pierces the actual tubing that your landscaper has put in, and this will guide your water into your 1/4 inch pipe that you're connecting on. So next, take your 1/4 inch line, and you'll want to push your 1/4 inch line onto your clamp and pierce connector before you do anything else. So you want to just push that on there really good. Make sure that goes on all the way up. So get that on there as far as you can, so it goes all the way to the end of the plastic there. So once you've got that all the way on, next step is you'll actually want to connect it on to your line. And these, the ones that the landscaper has put in, is basically it's a standard, it's like a 5/8 standard line, PVC line that they put in. And so doesn't really matter where you put it in. You want it, usually I'll tell people to put it at least 6 inches to a foot away from your other line. I'm going to actually stick it in right here. So we're going to put it right here. And you want to just press that firmly and you'll see that pierced the line. That went right in. And you kind of want to rock it back and forth. And that will make a good seal right into your line. And the nice thing about this is the top of this will swivel, and so you can guide your new piece of tubing to your plant. So in this case, I've got a strawberry plant here that needs a little extra watering. Okay, you guys, now that I have your tubing, direct it towards your plant. And at this point, you can either put in a barbed tee and then your dripper and then some more tubing, or in this case, we're just gonna do our dripper. So I've got what's called an adjustable full circle dripper. So I'm gonna link this in the description as well. And I'm gonna take this dripper. Again, it's just got the little 1/4 inch nozzle. You're just gonna push it onto the end of your tubing. Maybe. So push it on all the way until it's flat on, just like that. And then you will position it right near the center of your plant. And then the next thing you can do, if you have any stakes, this is a used one obviously, if you have any stakes, take your metal or plastic stake and just stake it down right there. And there you have it. That's how to add an additional drip line to an existing drip system or watering system. Pretty straightforward. Be sure and like and subscribe. Love to have you guys join the channel, and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much, you guys. See ya.